Here we have a huge storm fast approaching. Most people are packing up, as you can see. We've packed up our awning and stuff. Lots of thunder and lightning. As you can see, most sites have left. Preparation for the storm. It's about to hit. We always seem to get some storm. So it's absolutely blowing a gale here. Fortunately, we've just packed everything up. As I said, most people have left or aren't here holding on. Dust and leaves flying everywhere. Fortunately, we've packed up everything outside. Our swags look like they're doing okay. This is it for the night. So we're leaving tomorrow anyway, so it doesn't matter that we packed everything up just a little bit earlier. Everything went back dry. It's fantastic. You hear the thunder. Crazy stuff. I'm glad I'm not going to tent on the neighbours. They look like they're doing alright. I would put those ropes down though. Well, the main front is finished. Birds are very happy. Lots of puddles. Still a lot of lightning around though, and thunder. And like I said, a lot of people have gone.